What's up, everybody? Back for episode 2 of Adventures with Kale. That's what I'm calling the series, by the way. And we're gonna hit some twisties today. Like, we don't always hit twisties, but you know, normal shenanigans. And yeah. And let it begin. Scrape. Thank you. About stalled. Maybe in my Fiat, but I have trouble trying to find motivation to do like it once a week. Well, you know. Ooh. Squealy. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. My butt got a little slick there. She got a little slick. Yeah, I've been out this way. There are no roads. Oh crap, I forget. I've seen the movie. Yeah, you sent it on the Grom. I'm still back up here. There's shotgun shells everywhere up here. Yeah, I'm not going down that. Boy, don't you ever. I thought I was too. I think I did lower it to do wheelies on it, though. I see you put your old exhaust back on.
Yeah, because my other one broke off.
And you didn't weld. And you didn't weld it yet.
No. Can we go up this fire road?
Send it. We're gonna send it. Yeah. You think you need knobbies? I need knobbies. I'm back here. I'm taking it easy. I'm pinning it in first gear. Holy Holy crap. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Yes. I don't know. Oh, crap. I hit neutral. No. I think I need to adjust my clutch cable when I get home. This looks scary going down it. Oh! Ah. No, no, no. Yeah, that's why I'm just gonna. I gotta grab the front, otherwise my rear is just gonna lock up. That's control. Yeah. Oh. See, like, I couldn't do that. Where in the world? Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Not terrible. Oh, I just hit my center stand. Oh, there we go. Ow, ow, ow. I have there's a giant dent in my pipe though from last time. That's the Adventure Series, stuck behind cale. I'm sorry, Stella. This is one of those things where I should have changed to my knobby rear tire. No, not if unless I have to. Out, thorn bushes. Oh. Not back here. But, oh yeah, I see where you kind of were dying. These thorn bushes are like. Well, that one got. I got one in the neck. Oh, that hurt. No, I just hit really hard. Should get 1000 cc to car bikes. Oh, it's easy. Oh. I about did the same thing. Oh, thanks. No, you just spit up a bunch of dust. That hit hard. That was bad. Oh! She just slid out from me. Oh. I lost a foot. I lost a foot off my center stand. So, well, it's a special round one. You're not gonna send. You're not gonna send it. It does? I may have. That's bad. We need to go. Freezer. Yeah! Like, how flat is it? Like real flat? Yeah? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's pretty flat. Okay, we're back. Had to change the rear tire in Stella. She went flat. Might have popped a inner tube. So, we got a rear tire changed. And now we're gonna end it for this video, anyways. And we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully on some more twisties. Bye.